Season's greetings to your family from the KFC family.
Hi everyone, my name is Kamisha Taylor from team number 3 Maypen, and I just want to send Christmas greetings to all my friends, my family. Big up Ricardo, big up team number 3, big up my mother, big up everybody. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
It's Anderson from Maypen number 3, sending special greetings to my mom, my sisters, my grandma, my bestie Chavel. Big up yourself. One Uncle Sam from the Uptown. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Reed. I'm here to big up my friends and family, big up my grandmother, my mother, my Bobby, and my team members. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes. Love you all.
I'm Miss Darlington from number 3, Maypen. Big up yourself, everybody. KFC, big up on yourself. Mr. Myers, big up yourself. I'm grateful to be here. Big up God. Big up number 6, the whole universe. Big up Jamaica. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Season greeting from Maypen number 3. We are the best, nobody can say sweet.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Season's greetings to your family from the KFC family.
This is Jamaica's season for giving thanks for what matters. It's the time to show up, be there for each other, and to feed our hope for a brighter tomorrow. Celebrate being together with a KFC festive feast. Get the new festive 9 bucket. Proceeds from each festive feast purchase go towards hurricane relief. KFC is finger licking good.